My name is Hedia. I graduated class of 22, and I am so excited to be back at UM for the Navigating the Influencing World panel and to be able to speak to a bunch of students who are interested in my journey and just really share that with them.
Hello and welcome to the Communication, Media and Entertainment Career Fair. My name is Audrey Carvalho and I run the Stein Family Career Office. We're welcome today with over 26 different employers ranging from CBS Miami, Wink News, WOW MKTG, Karma Connected, and many more. This is a great opportunity for students to come and network with our employers, meet them face to face, and build connections that take them beyond just applying online.
My name is Shane Hinton. I am a meteorologist at CBS Miami, but more importantly, I'm a double alum for the University of Miami. And it's really just important to be here to talk to those students face to face, build that connection, give an in-person networking event that allows them to, ask the burning questions that they've got on their mind so that we can help give them kind of like the edge and the one-up to getting into the industry. It's been great getting to chat with these students face to face to see why they're passionate about the field of communication and hopefully get them into the field with us.